We might break the tour up into two groups.
More than 30 people, investors, and others showed up for a public tour of Raser's geothermal power plant.
50 generating units in one location.
Vice President of Geothermal Construction Steve Brown led the tour, along with plant manager Ryan Christensen. With hard hats and safety glasses, the group was ready to see how the geothermal process works.
What we're going to do is go down through here.
After several questions, the tour was on. First, a walk down the middle of the 50 generating units. The hot underground water is pumped into these small generators, heating a transfer fluid which vaporizes to turn a turbine. Then it was up to the top of the cooling tower.
Right next to that is a well motor.
The cooling tower sends cool water to the units to turn the vaporized transfer fluid back into a fluid state.
Excellent. It was very insightful and interesting to get a better understanding of how the technology works.
I enjoyed it. It was great. It's good to see something in operation that I've only heard about to this point.
Fantastic. I love to see alternate and green energy. We know that energy is what our future is going to be based on, and green energy is the way to go.
What I really enjoyed about the tour is that I got to see all the equipment up close. I got full explanation on what each, and any questions that we needed to ask, we got.
The tour was really great. I mean, we're here looking at the new technologies.
Lisa Romney is with Chevron Energy Solutions. She says while geothermal is just a piece of the clean energy puzzle, it's a very important piece.
It's a constant stream of energy instead of something like wind. The pricing, it sounds like, is so much better than solar. I mean, it's just absolutely not a renewable we can ignore.
Anything that reduces our dependence on foreign oil, anything that reduces our dependence on polluting sources is good.
Alex Dobson is with Provo City Power, a public utility in Utah.
From a utility point of view, it's great because it's a firm resource. You don't have the uncertainty of is the sun going to shine today, is the wind going to blow today. It's always running.
Dobson says the pressure is on utilities to go green.
Those are the kind of questions we get all the time. What are you doing that's renewable? What are you doing to address green power? All these kinds of things that there's a lot of pressure on in the utility world right now to explore those options.
For many, seeing the zero emissions plant was worth the long trip.
Look at, I'm right, I went all through the plant and I don't smell anything. I mean, it's as if that it didn't exist practically. I mean, there's no carbon footprint to this.
I've been out to coal power plants. It looks a lot different. There's no large acid lakes or the other sort of environmental pollutants that you get. So it's really nice to see the clean energy development in Utah.
I think it's wonderful that we're tapping the energy right here.
The plant is a clean plant, a quiet plant, and to be able to use energy that we have underneath the ground that is already there.
I think it's a no-brainer. It's renewable, it's efficient, and there's no pollution. It's great.
For some, the tour was a confirmation that geothermal power has just begun to take off.
It's a sleeping giant. I think geothermal is like China. You didn't hear about China for a long time.